After more than a decade with Adherent, it has been the most challenging 18 months, but also the most remarkable. We have a new product, a new brand, and while still servicing our enterprise customers to the standard that they require, that took something special. What I saw was a team that gave everything they had. We had engineers learning new tools. We had regulatory specialists working alongside product in ways they had never envisaged. Every function finding a way to move in the same direction at the same time. Our values of trust, innovation, winning together and respect were really evident in how we achieved our huge goals, culminating in our new product and our new brand. I could not be prouder of what we built together. If you're drawn to a team or a mission like this, take a look at our careers page. We'd love to hear from you.